Hi everyone, welcome to another one of Roy's property tips of the day. Now, whenever we refurbish a property, we generally replace the windows. Now, if you're replacing existing windows for new, every habitable room should in theory have, according to building regs, a means of escape. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means windows like this, for example, you've got to have enough room to be able to climb out of that window if there's a fire. So the window opening, okay, needs to be a minimum of 450 millimeters wide by 450 millimeters high. Why? Well, anything smaller than that, you're not going to be able to climb out of. So as you can see, we've designed these windows, fixed bottom half, openable top half, okay? When you open it, as you can see, yep, can you see that? It opens nice and wide. A minimum of 0.33 square meters opening so somebody can climb through. If you don't have a means of escape, regardless of the design, you could have maybe a side opening or, a full opening. It doesn't matter. You must have at least 0.33 square meters of opening to be able to climb out of and to comply with building regs. See that window behind me on the landing? You don't really need a means of escape because it's a landing. But it's a side opener, and again, it is a means of escape. We always have means of escapes in every room. So that's my tip of the day. Until next time, see you soon.